So hello everyone, this is the Coleder display and we are glad to show you our ACE block series product. And this product is very friendly use also. This is for the meeting rooms and control rooms, command center, and anywhere you need indoor you need the big LED screen. And this one we can go back side of the little wall. It's also, we have cable-free connection. Here is the hidden connector, yeah? And so people usually don't do the wiring job for all the panels. It's automatically like a Lego toy, yeah, you build up, it's really friendly use. And you can see the design is really nice, yeah? Give people impressive feeling. All the parts can take out from front side of the screen, so people don't need to go behind the screen to do the maintenance job. Yeah, here is the parameters. You can see we have different pixel pitch. Right now we are 0.9 is really mature, and we are also doing some more narrow pixel pitch. Yeah, and if you wanna know more info, you can visit our website www.coleder.com.